Today, we will talk about how to start a dropshipping business. So make sure to watch the full video. Venturing into the world of e-commerce, particularly with a dropshipping business, presents an exciting opportunity for entrepreneurs to explore innovative models in online retail. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its ability to streamline the complexities of traditional retail, offering a low-risk, high-reward approach to starting an online store. In this extensive guide, we will delve into every facet of creating and growing a dropshipping business, from niche selection to scaling strategies. Choosing your niche. Passion and interest. Selecting a niche for your dropshipping business should start with identifying your passions and interests. When you are genuinely enthusiastic about the products you sell, it not only fuels your commitment, but also resonates with potential customers who share similar interests. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for products within your chosen niche. Utilize tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media insights to identify trending products and potential target audiences. Competition analysis. Analyze the competitive landscape in your chosen niche. Understanding your competitors' strengths and weaknesses allows you to position your dropshipping store uniquely. Develop a unique selling proposition, USP, that distinguishes your brand in a crowded market. Setting up your dropshipping business. Choose a reliable e-commerce platform. The foundation of your dropshipping business lies in selecting the right e-commerce platform. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce offer user-friendly interfaces, robust features, and seamless integrations with dropshipping tools. Source reliable suppliers. Building relationships with reputable suppliers is critical for a successful dropshipping business. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salevu connect you with suppliers globally. Evaluate suppliers based on product quality, shipping times, and customer reviews to ensure reliability. Integrate dropshipping tools. Streamline your dropshipping operations by integrating tools and apps into your chosen e-commerce platform. These tools automate order processing, inventory management, and product sensing, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than managing logistics. Building your online store. Create a professional website. Design a professional and user-friendly website that reflects your brand identity. Prioritize a clean layout, easy navigation, and mobile responsiveness. A well-designed website instills confidence in potential customers and encourages them to explore your products. Optimize product listings. Craft compelling product descriptions optimized for search engines. Utilize high-quality images and provide detailed information to enhance the customer shopping experience. An informative and visually appealing product listing can significantly impact conversion rates. Implement secure payment gateways. Ensure a smooth transaction process by integrating secure payment gateways. Options like PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify payments offer secure payment processing, instilling confidence in your customers and reducing cart abandonment rates. Establish clear shipping policies. Clearly communicate your shipping policies, including estimated delivery times and potential delays. Transparency is crucial for managing customer expectations and building trust. Clearly outlined policies contribute to a positive customer experience. Marketing your dropshipping business. Invest in social media marketing. Leverage the power of social media to promote your dropshipping business. Develop engaging content. Utilize targeted advertising and collaborate with influencers within your niche. Social media platforms provide a direct and interactive channel to connect with potential customers. Optimize for search engines, SEO. Implement search engine optimization, SEO, strategies to enhance the visibility of your online store. Conduct keyword research, optimize meta tags, and create quality content to improve your website's ranking on search engine results pages, SERPs. Utilize email marketing. Build and nurture an email subscriber list to establish a direct line of communication with your audience. Execute email marketing campaigns to keep your audience informed about new products, promotions, and updates. Personalized and strategic email communication fosters customer loyalty. Implement content marketing. Develop a content marketing strategy to provide value to your audience. Blog posts, how-to guides, and video content related to your niche can establish your brand as an authority in the industry. Valuable content not only attracts organic traffic but also fosters customer trust. Managing operations and customer service. Monitor inventory and order fulfillment. Stay proactive in monitoring your inventory levels and promptly update your product listings. Efficient order fulfillment is crucial to maintaining customer satisfaction. Regularly communicate with your suppliers to ensure product availability and smooth operations. Provide excellent customer service. Prioritize excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address concerns, and resolve issues with professionalism. Positive customer experiences contribute to repeat business and positive reviews, crucial for a growing dropshipping business. Implement a returns and refunds policy. Clearly outline your returns and refunds policy to manage customer expectations. A transparent policy builds trust and demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction. Clarity in your policies reduces friction in the customer journey and contributes to a positive overall experience. Scaling your dropshipping business. Analyze data and metrics. Regularly analyze data and metrics related to your dropshipping business. Utilize analytics tools to assess customer behavior, conversion rates, and marketing performance. A data-driven approach informs strategic decisions and identifies opportunities for business growth. Explore additional sales channels. Expand your reach by exploring additional sales channels. Consider selling on established marketplaces like Amazon or eBay, or explore partnerships with other online retailers. Diversifying your sales channels minimizes risk and maximizes exposure. Optimize for mobile commerce. As mobile commerce continues to grow, optimize your online store for mobile users. Ensure that your website is responsive and provides a seamless shopping experience across various devices. Mobile optimization is critical for reaching and converting a diverse audience. Starting and growing a successful dropshipping business requires a combination of strategic planning, dedication, and a customer-centric approach. As you navigate the dynamic landscape of e-commerce, remember that the journey involves continuous learning, adaptability, and a commitment to providing exceptional value to your customers. By carefully selecting your niche, building a professional online store, implementing effective marketing strategies, and constantly refining your operations, you can establish a thriving dropshipping business in the competitive world of online retail. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.